Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I will show you the basics of Microsoft To-Do. Microsoft To-Do is an app that you can use to keep track of the stuff you just basically need to do, and this app is especially meant for PC, and it is very helpful and nice and good, at least for me. Even though I use Momentum by default, it is still gonna be helpful for you. This is like a example. As you can see, you're gonna show this part later. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you the basics of Microsoft To-Do. Let's get started. How do you open it? You press the Windows key or just click on the Windows button and then type Microsoft To-Do and then you click on it to open it. In my case, I already have it open. So when you open it, you are gonna be in the app. This is also a reminder that if you don't have a Microsoft account, you must have a Microsoft account for this app, or else it's not gonna let you use basic functions of it. So I am inside the app right now. It's gonna greet you with the My Day thing. It's gonna show you My Day. So over here you got this thing that where you can type a to-do and then enter it. So for an example, I could use their example. Sorry if I spelled stuff wrong. You can see it also has a spell checker. Okay, so I have this one up. You could also start it, basic function. You have more stuff. You could add steps once you clicked on it. You could choose where you want it to be. You could let it remind you, so like it's gonna give you a notification during the reminding time, or you could make this repeat. You could add a note. You could add a file. And yeah, that's basically what you can do. As you can see, when you add a file, this opens up in your pictures folder. I like to keep everything in downloads. As you can see, everything over here. So you have this over here. One neat feature is that you get this button that says keep on top. So like this is pretty helpful, as if you're like working on a school assignment. For me, my screen isn't too big, but it's gonna be helpful on a pretty large screen, or if you have two monitors, that's also pretty helpful. Keep it on the top like this. You could adjust the size of it. If you make it this small, you cannot see anything. You could add tasks. You could look at the menu. And yeah, to just get it back, you click here, and there you go. You also have important. This is your start tasks. You're gonna find your start tasks here. It is meant to handle a lot of tasks. This is due dates or reminders, like it just says. This is if someone else assigned tasks to you, it's gonna show up here. And then this just basically shows all the tasks. And then you can make extra lists and folders. Like this random list. It is just like folders in File Explorer. As you can see, when I type, you also get the due date option, the remind me option, and the repeat option. So as you can see, we showed you. So this is a pretty simple app and easy to use, and I like this app. It It also shows nice pictures. For an example, this one. It can also show something like this. So yeah. Okay, so this video was pretty simple. If you have any questions, you can comment the questions, and have a nice day, everyone.